What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and on today's video I just wanted to show y'all how easy it is for you to enter your non-winning tickets in the second chance drawing promotion on the Florida Lottery's website. Basically, you just have to go to the website, secondchancefloridalottery.com, and once you're on the site, you just log in, you make your account, and then once you make the account, you're gonna see this. You just click on this right here, and once you click on that, it's going to take you, it's going to tell you the little thing right here, how to play, prizes, rules, and ticket entry, and how to claim. And over here on this side right here, it shows you the drawing. It's only 3 drawings, and it shows you the entry period over here, and then it shows you the winner announced once the drawing is done for the first one. So basically, like this right here is the losing tickets that I had scratched, the $2 Monopoly. So you just have to scratch off to reveal the serial number at the bottom right here, and that's 24 numbers, by the way. So once you do that, you just go to ticket entry, and it's going to show you this right here where it says ticket number. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in the ticket number. And once you put in the number, you just click on submit. And once you submit it, it says thank you for entering the second chance promotion. Remember to check the website after the drawing to see if you are a winner. And once you enter it, it's submitted, and it's going to show you, you just have to go to my Monopoly bonus promotion ticket list entry, and it's right here, and it should show you, it's going to be the first one right here. So I just entered that. As you can see, it shows entries awarded to, and it's the ticket number right here, and it gives you the date it was entered, which was on the 11th of this month, and it shows you the draw date, which is on the 29th of this month. And so far, this is how many losing tickets I done entered on the second chance. As you can see, this is the list of all the losing Monopoly tickets. We start from 5, 2, I have a couple ones. I think I only got like one $10 one on there. And if you're a winner, I think they're gonna send you an email letting you know that you're one of the winners. Or if not, once the entry is done, once the entry is done for the first one, it's gonna, this little gray thing that says winners right here, it'll be white, and you just click on that, and I think that's how you see if you are one of the winners. But I just wanted to show y'all how easy it is for you to enter the second chance Florida Lottery tickets. And it's the Monopoly bonus promotion as of now. So if you have a whole bunch of losing tickets that you done scratch, and you want to, you know, just to enter them, just to see, you never know, you might be one of the winners. So as of now, I'm just showing y'all mines that I've been entering so far. But please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.